Take a break from the beach or pool on your Cancun vacation to experience a truly unique excursion. Cancun, Mexico has one of the largest underground museums in the world. You can see it by snorkeling or scuba diving. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Laura. I love to inspire others to travel by sharing some of my experiences. MUSA is an underground museum located near Cancun and Isla Mujeres. It was established in 2009 to help preserve natural reefs and encourage coral growth. First, I'm going to see the museum by snorkeling. The sculptures are located near a popular reef, which was really cool to see because we were able to see so many fish up close. At one point though, it did start to feel a bit crowded. While swimming with a current and trying to snorkel, one guy even ran into me. After exploring the shallow reef, we headed to see those sculptures. There's actually 500 sculptures and are spread out across the seafloor. On this trip, we saw the enlarged hands. Now it's time to get the scuba gear. This is a great dive, especially if you're a beginner diver. Local businesses like Aqua World will teach you to scuba for a temporary certification and take you on an open water dive to see the museum up close. It's impossible to see the whole museum on one tank, so it's great for multiple dives. If you're looking for guides to take you to see the museum or do another excursion in Cancun, I'll link my blog in the description below, and it has several different excursions all throughout Cancun and more. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next adventure.